That was so good, Sandy. I did. That one. It's going. That was great. Yeah. Doing great. Yeah, but she figured out on her grip that she was a little too weak with her right hand. Nice, Sandy. Man, I wouldn't, good to see you. Well, that's fantastic. That is fantastic. You want me to record you from the side to see it or front? Okay. That's good. With the big drivers, you want it a little high. I always try to say half of it's on the club head and half of it's on the golf ball. And you are swinging awesome. So good.
Was that a good one?
Yeah. That was great.
Down to that red one.
That's great.